Hi everyone, I'm Adele from Road Alley. As you may know, Peter's 1300GS comes with all the bells and whistles, including tire pressure monitoring system, which my F800GS doesn't have, until now. This is the latest offering from Carpuride, the brand new 6-inch W602 BS Pro with TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system now included. Let's see what's in the box. This is the new W602 BS Pro installation manual. Let's see what the screen looks like. This is the brand new 6-inch smart screen. Stunning. Wow. And this is the TPMS caps that you'll put on your tires. Installation of the W602 BS Pro is pretty easy. It's just clip on and click. Clip on and click. That easy. Remember to lock the unit and lock your bike before you leave. So it's just lock before you get your keys out. Okay guys, let's switch on the bike. So this is the overall display of the smart screen. It can display up to 26 different parameters, including the front and rear tire pressure monitoring. You can switch the light mode from dark to light. And you can also switch from kilometers per hour to miles per hour by using that function over there. Can go back to kilometers per hour, or you can get more information about your bike by switching this I function here. Hi guys, so this is your main screen with music and audio output, your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, your phone if it's connected to Bluetooth, your music if it's connected to Bluetooth, your SD card, your compass mountings, and your system settings. So let's go into settings, which consists of system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or OTA, which you use for software upgrades. If we look at system, it consists of language, factory settings, system versioning, ride drive, your SOS, which is quite important. You can change your wallpaper here. And there's any help functions there as well. Carpuride Smart Screen, the W602 BS Pro, also allows you to set up an emergency contact number. They will call in case of an emergency. So how to set it up? You go to settings, system, scroll down to SOS and emergency contact. So in there you can set up your emergency contact number in case of an emergency. Okay, so let's see how easy it is to set up our smartphones. I'm going to go into Bluetooth settings. So you go, take in your smartphone, you go to settings, Bluetooth, waiting for Carpuride to come up. There it is, and you click on it. And there's the passkey, and you do a pair. Allow contacts and favorite sync, allow. Connect to CarPlay, connect. And that is how easy it is. So it's all done guys, your smartphone is set up with the Carpuride Smart Screen. That easy. So next I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to move the Wonder Wheel control functions to the smart screen device. At the moment this screen is in TFT mode. By taking the menu bar here and holding it in, up, it moves to nav mode, which means the Wonder Wheel functions are now working with the smart screen device. By moving the menu bar down, I can actually move back to TFT mode. Okay, so while the smart screen device is in nav mode, I can actually use the Wonder Wheel to move through the smart screen functions without taking my hand off the handlebar. So here's the tire pressure monitoring caps. These, the one is marked rear and the other one is marked front. So important to use the right one for the right tire. Let me show you how quickly it is to install. So first put on the lock nut. Make sure you've got the right one. This is the one for the back, so the rear tire. Okay, so I don't know if you've heard, but you heard a bit of air release from the tire. So just make sure it's quite tight when you turn it on. You use the tool provided to lock the lock nuts. And then you just do the same for the front tire. Put the lock nut on. Then you make sure you've got the front cap. Put it on and you'll need to close it up properly to make sure it's tight. Take the key provided and close up the lock nut properly. So let's set up the TPMS on the Carpuride smart screen. Let's go to mountings to see if it's displayed yet. You can see there's no TPMS monitoring the smart screen console here. So we need to go and set it up. To set it up, we go to settings, system version. Now you click this SDK version screen 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You scroll down. You'll see there's a TPMS installed there, and you click it, or you enable it, and there you go. It's easy as that. If you now go back, so let's go and see if it's there. Go into mountings, and you can see there is the tire pressure monitoring is installed. So it's, voila, it's there. So guys, all you have to do now is do the pairing of the TPMS by clicking over there and there. Hi everyone, so this is a test ride of my new Carpuride smart screen. As you now know, it boasts tire pressure monitoring. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to work with BMW Wonder Wheel. So first of all, you need to switch to nav mode by, through the menu button, hold it in, and then you go to nav. That easy. Then obviously you can toggle between that view with all your functions, your your iPhone functions, your smartphone functions, and then you can use your Wonder Wheel to actually navigate down to the specific option you want. You go to Carpuride and you select Carpuride. And you press that button over there. The standard Carpuride screen now features all of the bikes, important functions like, how much of available fuel you've got, your kilometers that you've got left over to ride, and now it also boasts the front and the rear tire pressure. I'm going to show you how convenient and easy it is to use the Carpuride smart screen with the BMW Wonder Wheel. Obviously key is that you switch from TFT to nav mode by holding in the menu button. There I am in nav mode now. What's convenient is at the moment you guys can see I'm listening to a song. I've just switched it off in order to do this video. But I'll show you how easy it is to go to find your music. Obviously you can toggle between these screens by toggling the wheel the whole time. I prefer to have maps on, especially if we're moving through very busy traffic and you need to get home. So you want to see where you're going to maybe get stuck in traffic, so it's handy to have the maps up. But anyway, if you want to move, say go and find some music, you toggle to the right screen like I've done now by switching the Wonder Wheel, you're toggling it left, and then you can move the Wonder Wheel down like this, and you'll see there's my Spotify there at the bottom. And then obviously you can make a selection on Spotify to find the album that you would like to listen to. So guys, it's that easy. In this particular case, if I switch the song on here, you can hear the music going on in the background. This is my preferred album at the moment. So it's that easy, guys. It's really very convenient to keep your phone in your pocket and then just use the Wonder Wheel. So let's ramble on, guys. So there you have it, the brand new 6-inch Carpuride W602 BS Pro with tire pressure monitoring system. It looks stunning on my bike, and now I also can measure tire pressure on my bike just like Peter can. If you follow the link in the description below, you can get up to a 32% discount on your purchase. So why don't you treat yourself today to one of these? Let's ramble on.